Mi amore, espresso macchiato, 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 por favore.
So Eurovision is in full swing here in Basel. How will Ireland do? The protests continue around Israel. All is to play for. Who is going to win the Eurovision Song Contest 2025?
Hi, I'm EMMY, representing Ireland in the Eurovision Song Contest this year. You know, what happened to Laika was extremely sad and heartbreaking, so I wanted to create a scenario where she gets to be happy and alive instead, because all animals deserve to be happy and alive. And yeah, so that's what the song is about.
It's a dog in space. I love it. It's like a happy song in the sky, and it makes party, like we make party today.
Well, I've been to a lot of Eurovisions now. This is my 34th contest. Brought me to so many places, maybe I would never have gone before, maybe so many friends. It's such a great atmosphere, it's such a European party, and I love it.
Took everything that glitters and the silver, combined it together, just like an alien from Planet Dance.
I love Ireland so much, and I'm so grateful. The way the Irish people have welcomed us, it's just heartwarming.